Afternoon. We are working on the old Buick Century again. It's barn find special. If you've been paying attention, you know what today is. Today is mileage reveal day. So in the spirit of making that happen, I got a scabby old battery from a core pile. Not gonna say where, but there's a guy that'll trade me cores if I bring him one, and put that on the pulse charger for a couple days, and she's showing 12.8 volts. Now, a couple things we did in preparation before we even set this hot battery in here. Pulled fuel pump relay. I have not cleaned the tank on this thing yet. When I checked the mileage last week with the jumper cables, it was showing between a eighth and empty, and I just don't want a chance sucking more stuff up into that fuel system that we're just gonna have to clean out anyway. The other thing I got going on is, if you remember last time from the last short, we cranked over a couple times on this motor with breaker bar there, or long ratchet, and we are gonna make sure we get a full 360 out of this thing before we twist on the key. Now, Derek over at Vice Grip highly advises this, and I advise it too. This motor's been sitting up for 10 years and has not moved. I want to move it the first 360. Even though the oil and everything's good in it, I still want to move it slow, see what it feels like. I'm going to do that. We're going to throw that battery off of my fancy battery moving cart in here. Then we're going to get to revealing some mileage. Talk to you in a bit. All right. Got the scabby old battery zipped in there. And I was looking at the sticker on this, and it's really not that scabby. End to 22. Really hoping somebody had a bad alternator and turned this battery in, because that means we're going to get a pretty fresh battery out of this for $0. Because I just took the old core out of this one and traded it for another core, and that's it. Well, enough talking. Let's get in the cab. Now remember, if you're going to crank her over, take your long ratchet off that crank bolt, or it's going to sit there and go zzz, zzz, and break some shit. Probably won't like it. Hang on, we'll show you the miles. All right, time for the big mileage reveal on the barn find Buick Century. Got the scabby old key here. If you watch right there, we're going to do this together. No cut scenes here. We got some ding dings. Time for some lights. Now, would you look at that? You are staring at 4 number odometer. 4. 8,674 miles. And just to show you it's not the trip, look, here we go. We're clicking the button. There's the trip. 5.6 on the trip. 86.74. Gotta wonder, is this the lowest mileage one left? It's got to be close. Talk to you later.